get a tons of flowers in hibiscus. Look at these flowers. And if your hibiscus plant not flowering, I will get you one fertilizer that will do wonders to your plant. In every branch there are buds, flowers. See, I use this fertilizer during the hot summers. So stay tuned to know what is the great fertilizer you can use to get more flowers in hibiscus. Get maximum flowers. These are onions, big onions. We can make a homemade easy fertilizer using these onion peels. So what you got to do is you have to remove all the peels from the onion, and we'll see how I'm going to remove all the peels and do not throw them away. We'll reuse them in gardening, and I will show you a great fertilizer that you can make with these onion peels. I have collected all the onion peels into this tub, and what you got to do is, after gathering all that, you will have to fill it with water. And once you fill it with water, you can keep it closed with a cover and leave it for good 48 hours. So after 48 hours, I will show you what is the condition of this fertilizer and how we are going to use it on our plants. This is the fertilizer color after 24 hours. I will show you after 48 hours how exactly it will look. Now this has turned to pink color, and it will turn more darker after 48 hours. And after 48 hours, the color is like this, and you can drain it to 1 liter water. So now I'm going to drain it, and so this is in 1 liter now, and we are going to use it on our hibiscus plant, and also you can use them on other flowering plants too.